Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to solve for you a question on algebra. The question is particularly focused on quadratic equations, and it is composed of three parts, A, B, and C. The question starts by expressing 7 minus 4x minus x squared in the form t minus x plus q all square, where p and q are constants. The rule says that if you have x squared plus bx plus c, this can be written in the form of completing the square x plus b over 2 all to the power 2 minus b over 2 all to the power 2 plus c. This particularly means that if the coefficient of x squared is positive 1, then you can complete the square by this rule. So in order to make the equation 7 minus 4x minus x squared in the form of x squared plus bx plus c, we need to take a common factor of minus 1. So we have here 7 minus 4x minus x squared. We can write it in another way, an easy way, which is minus x squared minus 4x plus 7. If you look here, between comparing this equation and the one on the right, it's a difference in -1 multiplied by x squared. So you have to factorize. You have to take a common factor, which is minus 1, then open a bracket, x squared plus 4x minus 7. Then you can complete the square of what is inside the bracket. So we have here -1, x plus b over 2, which is 2, all to the power 2, minus b over 2, all to the power 2, which is minus 2 to the power 2, which is 4. And then plus c, c is minus 7, so it is here minus 7. Now we can simplify this. We can have -1 outside the bracket. We have x plus 2 all to the power 2, and then we have -11. If we insert -1 inside the bracket, it turns to be 11 minus x plus 2 all to the power 2, which is the form that is needed. So we have found that p is equal to 11 and q is equal to 2. Here, he's not asking about p or q, he's just asking on the form. So we have just answered the question now by finding the form. So this is the answer. Then let's move to the next part. The next part says that using your answer to part A, solve 7 minus 4y plus 3 minus y plus 3 all square. Here we can find easily that x can be y plus 3. So to solve this, we say let x equal y plus 3. So the equation that he wants to solve turns to be 7 minus 4x minus x squared equal to 0. Now, 7 minus 4x minus x squared equal to 0 can be written as completing the square 11 minus x plus 2 all to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now, this means that x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 all square is equal to 11. This means that x plus 2 has two solutions. X plus 2, 1 and 2 is equal to plus or minus root 11. Now, if I substitute here, so we have x plus 2, x 1 and 2 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 11. Now, return x to its original value. X was equal to y plus 3. So we have y plus 3, 1 and 2, is equal to negative 2 plus or minus root 3. Now, this means that y1 and y2 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root 11. Sorry, it's root 11. So we have, these are the two solutions. He wants them, give your answer in the form e plus or minus root f. So we have here minus 5 plus or minus root 11. So this is y1 and y2. We go to the next part. It says that the curve y equal to e minus 5x plus 1 whole square has a maximum at point A. This is a quadratic equation. So it is going to be either a U shape or N shape. Now, the coefficient of x square is negative 5. If you expand this bracket, it's going to be x square multiplied by minus 5. So the coefficient of x square is negative 5. This means that it is an N shape. Now, let's draw it quickly. So we have here the x-axis, we have here the y-axis, and then we have an N shape. This is the quadratic equation, N shape, and it has a center at negative 1. How did I know this? This is the advantage of completing the square. When you write the quadratic equation in the form of completing the square, you can know the axis of symmetry very quickly. Just put x equal negative 1. So you have y equal 3. So you have here the axis of symmetry at x equal negative 1. And the value of y is equal to 3. So you have here, this is the maximum point because we know that it is a U shape, an N shape. So this is the maximum point. So the maximum point here is this one. This is point A. So the coordinates of A is negative 1 and 3. If you just, for your interest, want to find the roots, you can just solve by letting y is equal to 0. This is just outside the answer of this question, but just for you. You have y equals 0, so you get 3 minus 5x plus 1 whole square. So you get 3 over 5 equal x plus 1 whole square. So you have here x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 3 over 5 is 0.6. So x1 and x2 are negative 1 plus or minus root 0.6. Now, root 0.6 is less than 1. So minus 1 plus something which is less than 1, it's going to give me negative. So you have the first root negative, and the second root -1 and negative root 0.6. So this is something like negative 0.22 and negative 1.77. Thank you, everyone. I hope you like this video. Please send me your comments and I will answer to them. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and wishing you a nice day. Bye-bye.